Hello friends, I am ex-Captain Dinesh Menon from the 8th Battalion, the Jammu and Kashmir Rifles. I have been part of this great Indian Army for 6 years and mostly served in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Friends, today I am here to speak about the importance of patriotism that has to be developed as part of a strong value system in the minds of young children. Patriotism, simply put, is the love and devotion that one has towards their country. Patriotism should not be seen as a feeling that comes only during, for example, events like Indian cricket team participating in a World Cup event or in Olympics, or for that matter a war. This feeling of patriotism should be omnipresent in whatever things you do. Even your day-to-day activities like keeping your surroundings clean, not wasting the natural resources, not spreading hatred among your fellow citizens can be seen as an act of patriotism. India, as you know, is a great country with unique and diversified geographical, cultural and climatical conditions. Every Indian should be proud to be part of this country. At any point in life, you should not be speaking against this great country. There may be differences in your political, regional or religious ideologies, but this should not come as a reason, and when the situation requires, everybody should be speaking as one and acting as one. You should all remember that the freedom that you currently enjoy has not come free of cost. Great political leaders, freedom fighters and soldiers have paid for it by their life. As we speak now, there are innumerable soldiers who are deployed in the most inhospitable climate and terrain conditions, safeguarding the international boundaries. The hardships faced by these soldiers cannot be described in words. There are many acts of valor shown by ordinary citizens. A very recent example is of a Sainik school cadet who lost his life trying to protect the lives of 3 young children who were caught in a massive fire breakout at their house. So the point is that these guys or these persons, these kids are not superheroes from the Marvel movies. They are your neighborhood kids who have kept their self behind their back and shown their courage when it is actually required. So that is the spirit of belongingness or the spirit of unity that needs to be shown by you kids, so that when the country requires, you are ready to display it. As you grow up, you can choose whatever fields you want or whatever profession you want to be in. But please remember that whatever you do in your life, it should be for the betterment of yourself as well as the country. I am sure that you will not leave the great sacrifices, you will not let the great sacrifices of our leaders, of our elders go in vain, and you will become a responsible citizen of this country. Always remember, the safety, honor and welfare of your country comes first each and every time in whatever activity that you undertake in your life. I am sure you will live up to the expectations of your parents as well as the society as well as this great country. I wish you all the best. Before I conclude, IMCTF celebrates Manav Vandana through Bharat Mata Vandan and Paramveer Vandan on 31st January 2021. Let us join together, celebrate, and display our patriotism by participating in that event. Jai Hind.